and welcome to a training video for thevacationcalendar.com. This video will teach you everything that you need to know about scheduling and maintaining vacations on the calendar. In addition, we're going to see all three different users so you can get an understanding of what the different user types mean. So to begin with, I am an owner, which means that I don't have administrative rights, but I am able to schedule vacations at the house. And so let's go ahead and do that, and I will schedule a vacation. We'll call it John Thanksgiving. And this vacation will start the day before Thanksgiving and end on the Monday. And we're just going to have it appear once, and we will add the vacation. So, as you can see, John's Thanksgiving has been added to the vacation. Now this is available to John as an owner that he sees it, as well as all the other users. So I'm going to be a guest user for a second, and I'm going to go ahead and refresh my screen. And you can see that as a guest who's using the shared password, I too am able to see this vacation. Now the difference between a guest user and a normal user is, as a guest user, if I click on a date, it's not going to allow me to schedule a vacation. But what it does allow me to do is request to use the house if there isn't a vacation already scheduled. Similarly, if I actually wanted to join John, I can click on John's Thanksgiving vacation, and I can request to join that vacation. So I'll give him my name, my email address, when I'd like to join, and I press request to join, and then John will get an email asking if I can join, and if so, he can sort that out outside of the site. Now, as an administrator, it is slightly different. So as the administrator of the site, when I come to the calendar, again, I see everything, but I'm actually able to click on John's vacation and make changes. And so that's one of the powerful aspects of the administrator role, and why you really only want one user to do that, because maybe as the administrator, I say, you know what, you have to leave on the 27th because we've got some cleaning people coming, and so I'm kicking you out on the Sunday, and now your vacation has been changed. Now, administrators can also schedule vacations. So I can click on a date here, and we'll say from the 28th to the 30th. We'll call it house maintenance. And let's change the color for giggles. And now we've got house maintenance, so everybody knows that the house is something's happening at the house. So, as you can see from the administrator, I can click on anything and do anything. I'm now going to switch back to John, and who again is an owner. So when he refreshes his page, he sees the house maintenance and he sees his shortened vacation. Now, when he clicks on the house maintenance, he can't edit it, but he does have the option to request to join. So owners can join other owners' vacations. They just can't edit, update them, delete them, or anything like that. All right, so I'm also going to switch over one more time to the administrator, who's got a couple of features for them. And so if they come into the account information and scroll down on some preferences, there's an option for the administrator to have an additional schedule vacation screen, which we'll show you. And there's also a very important feature which says allows the administrator to have owner's privileges. So this latter one, essentially there are situations where sometimes the person who's operating the site isn't actually an owner and is not allowed to schedule vacations. So they can still have all the administrative privileges, but they're not allowed to schedule their own vacations. And so in this case, the administrator is an owner, so they have that turned on. So the extra screen from above can be found here. And really all this is a quick way to see which vacations are out there and who's scheduled them. So here we have John's Thanksgiving, and of course you can filter by dates as well. And if I'd like, I can edit from here or I can delete it. So it's just an easy way to see the vacations without having to scroll through the calendar. So with that is a quick introduction for now. I hope this helps, and if you have additional questions, please check out our other training videos on this YouTube channel. Thank you.